GitHub is currently getting cooked by amateurs flooding it with pull requests. Oh, sorry, not amateurs. Like, seriously, who the hell thinks updating a README file is some sort of career achievement? As if adding their name is going to land them a job at FANG. And one of the funniest things that I came across is this gem. Please accept my PR. I want to contribute to open source. To be honest, it's very funny. Only on the surface. Because for the people actually managing these repos, their life is kinda fucked up. And you might be thinking, wait, deja vu. Didn't this already happen last year or something? Well, you are absolutely right. Let me rewind. It all started around 2 years ago from a video teaching Git and GitHub made by
Apna College.
In that video, at this timestamp, a mistake was made that literally changed the course of ExpressJs history. The host used the real ExpressJs repository as an example and showed forking the real ExpressJs repo, cloning it, making a simple change like adding a line or editing a README file. And since many absolute beginners followed the tutorial step by step without understanding the context, they genuinely thought contributing to a big project like ExpressJs, oh my god, I'm going to Google. At the time of this recording, that video has around 5.6 million views. That's more than I will ever have. Assuming like just 1% viewer actually followed everything as it is, that's around 56,000 pull requests, which is insane for the maintainers to maintain. Naturally, open source developers and maintainers got frustrated. People started tweeting, retweeting, ranting on Reddit and calling it a DDoS attack on open source. And when the controversy exploded, they eventually added a disclaimer in the comment section. And I would say, to her credit, at this timestamp, she does mention not to make a PR if you're not adding something meaningful to it. But let's be real. Some people are just dumb. Don't take me wrong. Everyone is dumb at something. Me also. But the difference is my dumbness stays in my private repos. Honestly, in my very personal opinion, the host also made some mistakes. Like, she could have just made a dummy repo. Or even now, she could have trimmed the part that caused the problem. Update. They actually removed that 35-second part that caused all the chaos. After I recorded the whole video. Hopefully, that means all the spams finally stop. But honestly, the college grads who made all those PRs in the first place, I don't think so they even realize the gravity of the situation. In their mind, it's like, it's just my one small step towards getting an internship at Google. So yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if they start doing the same thing on other major repos like Node.js or other big frameworks. Until GitHub rolls out a proper anti-spamming feature. These spams usually follow a pattern anyway, like new accounts, nearly empty profiles, PRs with 20-30 characters like their name or hello or please merge. Unless they start writing long essays, the pattern is pretty easy to detect. By the way, I would love to hear what you think about this mess. And no, I'm not saying it to boost my engagement, maybe a little, but genuinely I'm curious. Oh, you can also join my Discord server. By the way, bye.